Hey guys, I hope you all are doing well. I know you were waiting for the videos. Even I was striving to upload, but I was having some personal work and now I am returned. And from now, I'll upload one video every day. I won't take your much time, so without further ado, let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Today's video will be about development environment setup. I want this playlist to be comprehensive, suitable for beginners as well as advanced and professional persons. So beginner person should set up their environment first to create the project of Lynx JS. So starting from Node.js, you can use Bun as well, but it requires Node.js long-term support version. So I'll installed the latest LTS version of Node.js. You can download from here. Click here, that will be downloaded, and then you go to folder, downloaded folders, and then you can double click on that. It's v22. Run it. I have already installed. Change, repair or remove installation. So I'll repair because I have already installed, and I think it's new version that I currently installed, so it will take time. Until then I'll stop the recording. So it's currently being installed. Yes guys, just click on finish. It's installed. Our node is set up. It requires Node.js higher than 18 and one more VS Code. If you are a developer, you might have been installed this. See, I'll download latest version. It's already installed in my device, but I want latest version. Okay, now it's being installed. Yeah, done. Now go to files and just double click it and run it. Create a desktop icon, install. I'll pause the video until it's being installed. Yes, so it took 1 to 2 minutes and our latest VS Code version is installed. Just finish that. And if you want to use Bun, then you will get one PowerShell command. I'll just show you in short. See here. This is PowerShell command for Windows, uh, and this is curl command for Mac or Linux. So if you want this, just copy it and paste in PowerShell. Mm, PowerShell. Yeah, just paste it. I think I have my version of Bun. To check Bun version, I have 1.2.4 and I'll be installing the latest version just now. Yeah, it's being installed. And if you want to see the latest version of npm, then npm -v. Yeah, so it's 10.9.2, and we want Node.js version higher than 18 for Lynx.js, and currently it is Node-v. Currently, we have installed version 22.14, which is long-term support. Now I'll check bun-v. I think it's not okay. Bun 1.2.7 was installed. Okay, so we have everything set up. We have latest VS Code, latest npm, latest Node, and Bun as well. If you are Bun users, and if you are Yarn user, you can see how to install Yarn from their official website. I'm using Yarn in my some projects. You can install it as well by seeing the documentation. So that's all. And if you want to create a new Lynx project, then just npm or bun create r speedy @latest. Just enter the command project 1 javascript prettier everything set up and just bun install and you get your project and start coding. So that's all for this video. In the next video, I'll be teaching every aspect about the project structure in Lynx.js. The There are some main factors that you should be knowing, and then we will make video about the to-do list. We'll be making the to-do list with the local host, and after that Bootstrap, Spring Boot, Tailwind CSS, and for backend I'll be taking one shot of Spring Boot, and then we'll start our mega project. So stay tuned and subscribe.